Friends, this is Mr. Rahul Hunkalas, Assistant Professor from Department of Mechanical Engineering, NB Navle, Sinhagad College of Engineering, Kegaon, Solapur. During this pandemic COVID-19 situation, everything is locked down. School, colleges, markets, even whole country is under lockdown. So to overcome the different problems of students' academics, we are now using different e-learning tools like Google Classroom, WebEx, Zoom, Google Meets, Microsoft Meets, etc. etc. With the help of all these e-learning tools, students may understand or cover all their academic subject syllabus, but they are missing very important part of their academics, that is laboratories and practical experimentation of different subjects. So this VLab e-learning tool provides the facility to perform thousands of different subjects experimentation virtually. This V laboratory is the initiative of COI Pune in association with different IITs, NITs, universities and private engineering colleges across the country. This is one of the initiative of an MHRD government of India. So with this video we would understand how one can operate or perform their respective subject experiment with the help of VLab. So to start the VLab, just Google it, COAP VLab. Then you start to use the portal, just click it on, then the portal look like this. First of all, there is a need to register yourself. If you are very new to this particular portal, you have to register yourself like this. The page will open and it look like this. Very important thing, you should have to select a college from which college you are belonging like this. Then you select your college and register yourself. Then again return back to the home, then sign in to the portal. I am already registered, so my sign in data is already present over here. Now just I am going to click on the sign in, then the page will look like this one. The different things are present over here. Virtual labs at COE Pune means this indicates the different branches experimentation or different branches laboratories under COE Pune. It indicates with the help of this page: computer engineering, electronics and communication, electrical, biotechnology, mechanical, chemical, civil, chemical science, physical science, other disciplines. So many streams, so many engineering streams are present over here. As I am belonging from mechanical engineering, so I am just going to demonstrate few experiment under mechanical engineering. Just click on mechanical engineering, then under mechanical engineering you can see the different subject experiments like vibration, micro machining, FAB, machine dynamics, machine mechanics of machine, mine automation, virtual combustion and automation laboratory. So I am just going to demonstrate one experiment under virtual combustion and automation laboratory. So just click it on, then we'll understand the experimentation with the help of this page: virtual combustion and automation laboratory, IIT Kanpur. The meaning of this particular IIT Kanpur, that is nothing but this laboratory been developed by IIT Kanpur itself. So many experiments are present under this: measurement of laminar burning velocity, characterization, measurement of turbulent inverse, etc. etc. So I'm going to demonstrate one experiment: characterization of droplet combustion, that is the second last one. I'm just going to click on it. So the experiment will open and it look like this. So many things which we already understand during our theory section itself. So the experimentation manuals are also there. Similarly, the things are present under this experiment. Start with the aim of the experiment, introduction, theory, the procedure, what would be the results, conclusion, assignments, references and feedback. If you see in the aim, what is the aim of this particular experiment, that is the characterization of droplet combustion, what would be the objective of this particular experiment, then about some introduction of this experiment, it is present over here. Then again the theory which we required to understand this experiment, you can read over here. Then what would be the procedure to perform this experiment, all the data, all the things are present over here. Again, the results, what would be the result of this experiment, it is present over here. The few pictures or few photographs of the or the images are again present over here along with the different graphical representation. Again, this is very informative things are present over here. Then again, what would be the conclusion of this experiment, which present under this conclusion window? Again, few assignment questions are present over here. Then the references, different book names, the different research paper names, and you can provide your feedback by clicking over here. So this way you can see or you can perform the experimentation. This is one of the example of a study type of experiment. Now with the help of the another experiment, we can understand how one can done the simulation with the help of V laboratory. Now I'm just going to click on micro machining laboratory. This is again very important laboratory. Under micro machining laboratory, so many experimentations are present over here. I'm going to just click on study of electrochemical machining process. Just click on it. Then the experiment will open, and again the aim prerequisites means what the initial things are required before experimentation, what would be the theory for this particular experiment, everything is present over here, what will be the experimental setup, etc. Then I'm going to just click on simulation. Now under the simulation, you just have to click on the simulation, click here, then the simulation will appear like this. If you see on the screen, here is the setup of the experiment. So the required inputs you should have to select for this particular experiment. So before the experimentation, you have to read all the required things which is essential to perform the experiment. That is very important. So in this particular experiment, we have to select first metal, like I'm going to select aluminum metal. Then its atomic weight is already there, that is 26.97. then its valency we can select, suppose I'm going to select 3. its density is already there, 2.67 gram per centimeter cube. Then the select removal rate, that is the metal removal rate, you can select. Few functions or few things are present over here. Now I'm going to select removal rate, that is 0.093. okay, then just click on the power supply. Now once I will click on the power supply, if you see the animation or the simulation will start, it will like this. It is very important. If you see how the metal will cut with the help of this particular simulation, we can understand. So this is very important. The cost of this actual cost of such kind of a machinery is more than in crores. So this virtual experimentation being provides us to understand the experimentation virtually. So I think this video is useful to you. I think you understood many of things which I just cleared to you. So start to use V laboratories and get benefited, not only in this pandemic COVID situation, but also for enhancing your knowledge throughout your whole career. So I'm stop over here. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.